This is a tuna and corn pizza, a super controversy topping cooked in the Gozney Dome. Stick around and watch this video. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In today's video, this is part 2 of the most controversy toppings for a pizza. We're going to be using some tuna, corn on a red base with some mozzarella, cooking that in the Gozney Dome. So let's go ahead. And if you checked out my last video, again, I did a pineapple pizza. So again, comment over there on if you're team pineapple or not. But yeah, let me know also if you like tuna on a pizza, if you've tried it. But we're gonna go ahead and get this stretched out. And this is just some of my simple 48-hour dough. So if you want to see that, again, I'll link that above. Let's get this stretched out. All right, so we're just going down with a red sauce. All right, some mozzarella. Okay, and I'm gonna go down with some of our tuna. Again, this is some canned tuna. All right, and some corn. All right, I'm gonna get this loaded onto the peel. Get it into the oven. All right, and so let me know what type of controversy toppings you guys think I should also check out. Again, I did a pineapple one, which again, that one was the hardest one for me to do. And this is a tuna with corn. Again, you see corn on pizzas every once in a while, but as far as tuna, it's not a common topping. So again, if this is something that you guys like, comment down below, like this video, and let me know what other toppings I should put on. So again, the pizza is cooking nice. We're gonna go ahead and get this spun around. See, the crust is cooking up nicely. Again, this is a 48-hour dough recipe. Like I said, I will link that above so you could comment or check out as well. Crust is nice. So the bottom is looking good, and we're almost finished here. And we're looking good. So this is the tuna pizza with corn. I'm gonna go ahead and get inside onto the corner rack and we'll get a cut of this. All right, so this is the tuna pizza with corn. Let's take a look at this bottom. Bottom is cooked all the way around, looking pretty good. Let's get a cut into this pizza. And right away you get a lot of the tuna smell, so very fishy. But paired with corn, we'll find out how well this pizza is. Let's get this piece. Warm tuna is very interesting, but paired with the corn, you get a little bit of that crispiness or the crunchiness, and it definitely balances it out. So again, if this is a topping that you guys use, comment down below. Check out my Instagram with the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there.